म्हापशेचो बाजार उत्तर गोयचें मुखेल मार्केट. चवथीच्या बाजाराक जाल्यार म्हापशां चडूच गर्दी. मात चुकून केन्नाय थंय उजो लागल्यार फायर ब्रिगेडीची गाडी वचपाक मेळची ना म्हूण फायर ब्रिगेडीन हायड्रंट बसयल्यात. खबरदारी म्हणून बेरेस्तारा फायर ब्रिगेड, मामलेदार आनी पालिकेच्या इंजिनियरांनी हायड्रंटाचें इन्स्पेक्शन केलें. मार्केटांत खंय आनीकूय हायड्रंट जाय. हायड्रंटाची उदकाची वेवस्था करूंक पालिकेन उदकाची टाकी बसोवची पडटली.
Certain observations were made where it was observed that all the 5 hydrants had been covered up, making it difficult when any fire accident takes place. Second, also the options was that to identify one overhead tank along for the storage of water, which this is the ideal place which was felt. Plus they have a sump and plus a well is there, and also more hydrant points are required looking at the different locations. So we have asked the municipalities to give us the plan so that we can put the hydrant where it is required at different locations.
Precaution was taken in order to should not untoward incidents should not happen in market. This Mapsa municipality. Suggestion also given to recover.
Once we receive proposal from either from PWD or fire department, the land belongs to council. So ultimately we have to place the matter before the council meeting. Once they approve, we will hand over the land to them.
फाटल्या 5 वर्षांत देशात साखरेचें उत्पादन वाडलां. साखरेचें उत्पादन वाडयतना तंत्रज्ञानाचो वापर करपाक जाय. संशोधन संस्था, शुगर मिल आनी शेतकारां मदीं समन्वय जाय म्हूण आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नायक उलयलो. ताळगांवां श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमार साखर तंत्रज्ञानाच्या 11व्या परिशदेंत तो उलयतालो. देशभरांतले तशेंच विदेशांतले शुगर प्लांट आनी एग्री मशिनरी उत्पादक परिशदेंत वांटेकार जाल्यात. ऊस उत्पादन, फॅक्टरी इंजिनियरिंगाचेर सुमार 90 रिसर्च पेपर परिशदेंत मांडटले.
As we have graduated from sugarcane, sugar factory to sugar complex, perhaps next decade to come, we will be graduating from sugar complex to agribusiness complex. The farmers will be growing other crops along with sugarcane. Probably we will be buying them in the sugar factories and doing value addition.
For the past 5 years, we have witnessed continuous rise in sugar production. I am sure that the Technologies Association ways and means for improving the sugarcane yield and sugar recovery would be high on your agenda for the discussion. There is also a need to ensure efficient communication and coordination between the research institutes, the sugar mill and the farmer. I am told that the process of varietal changes in the respect of the sugarcane is rather slow in India, resulting in fluctuation in sugarcane yield and its wide variation in different regions.
इतल्याने खबरांची तर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.